Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And I just don't know what to say because this is my very first video and I have this channel from the last 1.5 years. But I tried recording myself, I tried reposting reels, I tried shorts, but somehow or the other I wasn't so focused on my channel. Uh, I didn't have that exact plan to execute. I didn't have that exact mindset to execute. But always in the back of my mind, it was there कि मुझे ये करना है क्योंकि मुझे ये पसंद है. This has been on my bucket list since COVID. I recorded one video in COVID that is not in this channel with one of my friend. I posted it. Basically, I'll tell you something. It was uh, pre-COVID era when I was in class 7th, 6th or 7th, when there was this Anasa named channel. It was a beauty come DIY kind of a channel. You'll search it and you'll get it. They still run this channel and they're very good. So I used to watch their videos and from there it rooted me ki, yeah, I like this thing. I am passionate about it. Though I was not so sure about that at that point of the time because उस time पे तो खुद का phone था नहीं and I used to get hardly 10 to 15 minutes of my mother's phone. वहाँ पे मैं देखती थी and just like that 6th 7th went and COVID started. Now in COVID उस time पे मैंने एक spending 24 yes I remember it saying yes to your closest friend for 24 hours and I did that. I shooted it and I uploaded it. It is on one of my channels. बट आफ्टर दैट घर वाले बोले थे कि या यस यू डिड वन थिंग शौक था कर लिया एक वीडियो नाउ यू नीड टू गो बैक टू योर स्टडीज एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके डन प्रगति वर्मा yes I remember her name she used to have an YouTube channel and she started from very basic with I would say no such background, no such fancy setup and all, but she just used to do that thing. So I was like okay we'll do it some other time, but अंदर ही अंदर था कि हाँ मुझे करना है. सो दिस वॉज द स्टोरी व्हेन आई वॉज मिड 8th स्टैंडर्ड एंड दैट टाइम मेरा जो फोन था ना उसका कैमरा क्वालिटी उतना भी अच्छा नहीं था. सो आई थॉट कि ओके नाउ पेरेंट्स हैव टोल्ड मी टू फोकस ऑन माई स्टडीज. अभी स्टडीज वगैरह में फोकस कर लेती हूँ. वंस आई रीच सम हायर स्टैंडर्ड आई विल पास 10th, माई बोर्ड्स फर्स्ट बोर्ड्स विल बी ओवर, देन आई स्टार्ट विथ दिस recording wala thing. 10th I used to have really deep talks with my friends, like, so I used to really love deep talks. I loved communication. I loved uh, understanding what the person is coming from where his or her emotions are processing, because that is very important. So this all got over. I really enjoyed my class 10th in my school. I never really enjoyed that much. मतलब इतना एंजॉय की थी मैं, इतना एंजॉय की थी क्लास 10th में. फ्रॉम 1 to 10th भी मैं उतना एंजॉय नहीं की. सो आई रियली हैव सम गुड मेमोरीज ऑफ माई क्लास 10th. तो ये तो हो गया. देन आई गॉट प्रमोटेड टू 11th. आई चेंज्ड माई स्कूल एंड नाउ द स्टोरी बिगिंस. The new school I changed to, that school from the very first day, from the day I gave my what do we say, entrance exam, admission test. Yes, the admission test. From that day I never liked that school, I never liked that atmosphere. But now people, you'll ask that why did I change to that school. It was because of the attendance factor. I was preparing for an exam, so I needed that attendance, least attendance wala thing. So I changed to that school. But after that we got to know that it was not at all that so called dummy school. It was a regular school and we needed to attend the labs basically. Very particularly we needed to attend the labs, otherwise our lab files wouldn't get checked and all. For summer vacations, that's the time when people make the new friends and all. So us time pe I was like no, I don't want to make any friends here because I know how students get spoiled up when they come here and get matched to this kind of vibe. So I was like no, I need to protect what I had, what ethics I had, what culture I had, what education and what inputs have been given to me in my previous school. I need to carry them. So ये सब करके तो कोई दोस्त बना ही नहीं मैं. So I started with recording my study videos for that exam. I used to record videos and I'll be very honest. I recorded like 10 to 15 videos and I posted only 2 or 3 of them. I know. I should have posted all of them. I should have. But okay. One day one of my friend commented on that video, not in the comments, personally. वो बोला कि फालतू में खुद कि पढ़ाई को क्यों शो ऑफ कर रहे हो, एंड यू शुड फोकस ऑन योर स्टडीज, खुद का पढ़ाई पे नजर लग जाएगा, दिस एंड दैट, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो उस टाइम पे इतना अकल तो था नहीं मुझ में कि आई वुड हैव इग्नोर्ड इट. I took that seriously because that time I was very, 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 very serious with my preparation, and I didn't want anything to affect it. But this recording wala thing, I was doing it for mind refreshing. After that, I stopped recording my videos and I stopped posting. क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि नजर लग जाएगी मेरे प्रिपरेशन को, and what will people say? Point number one: never ever think what people will say, because this video is also going to have so many comments. I don't know कितना reach मिलेगा इस video का. I'm not doing it for that. I'm just expressing myself because I wanted to do this from a very, very long time. कुछ लोग आएंगे मेरे पास, they'll comment, okay, this was very good, this was very bad, oh my god. There will be people who will be gossiping behind my back. ये भाई देखी, ये start किया, ये वो, and this and that. So now I have learned to brush things off. So cut to class 12. 12th में I again started posting those study videos because that time I was like, भाई मुझे करना है ये. This has been in my bucket list for a very, very long time, and now I just want to do it. And that time I used to record like very passionately. I used to edit it very passionately, and the channel was going really, really well, like really well. And I was gaining views, I was gaining love, and I started this channel from 0 subscribers. No one in my circle, my relatives, my mom, my dad, my other accounts, nothing was subscribed. From the base I started, I gained around 150 followers, more than 150 followers within just 20-25 days. And I used to post shorts जहाँ पे मैं तो कुछ बोलती नहीं थी. It was just written stuff. You can check it out on my channel. ये कर रही थी 10. Guess what? Things don't really go well. Things don't really go well. कुछ ना कुछ आ ही जाता है. Then came my midterms, then came my pre-boards, all in sequence. At the time, my academics were very, very messed up because boards were coming. My that exam was also on its peak preparation. So I घर वाले तो बोलते रहते थे कि just stop doing all this, give your entire focus on studies. And I was also messed up because my preparation lagged like completely. Not because only of video makings, because उतना मैं videos बनाती नहीं थी. But I was not so stable. I stopped it midway, like making my own videos. I used to repost videos on my this channel. You can find it out. Then slowly वो भी कम हो गया, and I stopped posting. Cut to December. December, it was my pre-boards were on January में थे, and दिसंबर में मेरा इतना भयंकर वाला ब्रेक डाउन हुआ था, मेंटल ब्रेक डाउन, दैट आई वाज नॉट इन अ प्रॉपर कंडीशन. I could not focus on my studies. I could not focus on anything. And this breakdown have been continuing from that. I got my first breakdown in December. 11, 12 have been a very, very, very difficult phase for me. A very, very, very difficult phase for me. I had multiple breakdowns. I had been suffering a lot. I had issues with many things. So after that, my friend had supported me really well, and I will thank her in some other video. Like genuinely, she stood by my side. She was also preparing for that exam, and I really thank her because I was suffering very much, and I didn't have anyone to share anything with. I waited for my boards to end, and after that, between my boards, another breakdown happened, and she supported me very much. Uske baad I had my this exam, and this all went and everything got okay. I met a channel that was very, very me vibe, that had very, very me vibe in that channel. That is an Insta channel, and I had some quick conversation with that admin. He makes videos on reality checks, reality processes, real things which we need to understand in our age. That is very, very important. So one day I messaged him a topic. I wrote it down. I messaged him and asked him to make a video on it. He made a video on it, and it had around 3 to 4,000 views. His channel was also growing at that time. That is when I realized कि अगर this video, the content he had put in his efforts. Of course, I had given him the baseline of the content. If he can speak it out so well on the script, I would not say the script, on the baseline, on the topic that I had asked him to make on, because I was not so prepared to talk on those topics at that moment of time. So, and few of his videos really touched me, really touched me. I was like कि नहीं भाई अब मुझे start करना है. I want to speak out whatever is inside me. From there I understood कि हाँ भाई मुझे भी ये करना है, because if this topic and this content can get means people are relating to it, and I want to share my experience, not just because I want to do content creation, but I love this thing. I want to just speak out, because currently in my life I am very messed up, and I just want to speak out. There will be many people who will be relating to me, who will not be relating to me, but this is not because I want you all to just come and appreciate me or just relate to me or nothing. This is my journey which I am just recording. If people connect to me, it will be your love, it will be your heart that you're opening, you're welcoming me in your life to speak, to let me speak, to let me have a very small space in your life. So this is my first video. This was the reasons why I had multiple setbacks in my life and why I didn't start early enough. So I was always waiting for this perfect moment to come where I will be achieving this milestone, and after that I'll start with content creation. I'll be in my perfect version, and then I'll start content creation, and that is not possible. And I have realized that, because becoming your perfect version is a journey, and now I am here to sum up everything, and everything, my entire journey, whatever I am processing, whatever I am feeling, whatever I'm going through, what are the circumstances that are coming in my life, how to deal with it, and how I am facing it now. These will be in my upcoming videos. So if anyone is watching this video right now and you want to start content creation, just start it right away. I am saying you that just start it right away, because that perfect moment is never going to come. That perfect milestone you're never going to hit, because once you hit one milestone, two more will come. You overcome those two, five more will come, and this is a never ending process, because this is life. We will be always having goals to achieve, and having that perfect thing. Nobody is perfect, no timing is perfect, nothing is in the world is perfect. Perfect is an ideal thing which doesn't really exist in real life. This was it for my very first video. I knew things were very messy. I lost topic, I lost track, but I just hit the record button and I just started it with क्योंकि मुझे ये करना था, कभी ना कभी तो मुझे स्टार्ट करना था. एंड आई थॉट टू स्टार्ट इट ऑन माई बर्थडे, एंड दैट वाज आल्सो अ सेटबैक. So, and I am doing it because one day I want to look back and see and thank myself, because I just started. Because this is the most important thing in anything you do in life. Starting is the main point, and going on with it with consistency is what matters. Because one day or the other, if your intentions are pure, I have learned this, if your intentions are pure, if you have given your best thing, it will get back to you. You will get it in return. Anything in any format, it will come back to your life, because nothing you give in your life with pure intentions, it can never go in vain. It will never be wasted. God will always return it to you in any format. So this was my very first video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.